Ye na ye anu du dwom. Na so no se anu du dwom a kobaka ka cho mampani se ba bi adun de e so ye shoot to kill.
Facts on Ghana Sem TV. Guys, do share, like, and subscribe. This is a very sad news for the people of Ghana. As you are aware, there was a helicopter crash on the 6th of August, 2025. Guys, this is one of the breaking news that broke the heart of many Ghanaians. And as we speak, we are still mourning. And people are coming up with a lot of theories about this particular issue. Guys, the big story is that now some Ghanaians are calling for a war against Galamsey. People seem not to understand why this helicopter crashed. Now, there are some allegations about probably these Galamseyers are behind this particular tragic incident. And now, some section of Ghanaians are calling for shoot to kill in this Galamsey fight. Because if not for this same topic called Galamsey, this particular issue wouldn't have happened.
Say what may kumo may adesia pao. See if ye pa. Yeah. And no be frame catch him say, baby edru no. Ye na ye anu du dwom. Na so no. Se anu du dwom a kobaka catch o mampani say baby edun de so ye shoot to kill. Say why ye bechew say wutu fam agudie ne de. Ye shoot to kill na say eh ye no so de anu odin. No say yes anu odin say. Hwe ye okrom ha no. Na anu bi 2017 29th May or so 2017 na da na ye dwoada me kai pa ni ati haya ni ati say enioma bi e cause ye kun bi bo na yasan ye de ama ye kun bi ye so ye ni den churo bo ase and dem say ni obo ase anya no muku Captain Mahama no me Mahama muku no ya no yeah anya no muku no ya yeah e me nipa ba ko nwotwe enso esa illegal mining ya hunti a wo mo kwa akoye nhyehyeye se be ya illegal mining activities no ye betu ase wo my Ghana mu na nasa no be brase no wo mo so akwakogu uvisa nya Galamsey e kwaso a enko mo kwaye den Galamsey ya e na eku omo akasa so omu tuo ni so bi so mo podi e omo eku omo no mo do ma fa say ye occupational hazard omo no se adwuma no so mo nyai ento ma fa say occupational hazard ni pensia ai na obi a wono no ba be so mo my Ghana no kwa akototo adwene ne manfo akototo adwene wo bo ase se be ye be nkwan ye be fa so a illegal mining na ano be brase a omboni o ma yo ne se wo munkowu e ma sebe wo mu kura ye hu endra misuye ana anwumere no wo bra me te se ye de omobodi na sebe ase no e de ko South Africa akwa kuhwehwe man san ye hu se
ni pass Messi na
o bi Dr. Edward Mane Boama we Alhaji Mutala awraho samni a obi epe elupre afo akọ South Africa ono se ni panonya chance ana poko mo be kompo a enko mo nkoso mkodi dwumadie bi o Ghana na mu omkodi dwumadie bi o Ghana na mu ende omni padua na ase na ye hu no ene ye de ekọ ye de folu pre yakọ ne ya sanso aba eni kwesi sa ya nhweye ya won illegal mining ye ntimi ntu ase da e okurum ha na ya hwe ya de beba no kora asuchi wei senti ni say time will come on say say ebe won kwada no obi wan ma na ne nsa ba akwa twe akoshim obi na ni ba akwa yi sei obi na se ba wadane apache.
We could have saved our honorable ministers. And as we speak, their spouses are crying. Their children are broken. Guys, who is going to comfort them at night? We are here extending our condolences, but they are so sad. They are crying. They are mourning. They are weeping. Just a while ago, a wife of the vice chairman of the NDC collapsed at the Flagstaff House. She cannot bear the pain. She's crying. They are screaming. Their dependents are crying. They are wailing. Their hearts are bleeding. And we sit here to still pamper Galamseyers. Imagine if this whole conversation surrounding community mining never came up. We could have saved these people. Now, the big story is that now the black box have been found. But even with that, would it be able to bring them back to life? The recording is still on that black box. But the truth of the matter is that Galamsey needs to be combated. Galamsey, we need to fight against Galamsey. Because is this the same program or event these are honorable members who are going and lost their life in a very tragic manner? Guys, my heart is so bleeding. Look at how humans are carried in a sack. My goodness. My goodness. And guys, I am not saying that somebody is directly to be blamed, but I think that we should take the fight against Galamsey very serious. I agree with what this journalist is saying. I strongly agree with his assertion. My goodness. Bro, can you imagine if we took this fight against Galamsey serious? How would this issue be? We would have still found our honorable members sitting at home peacefully with their family. My goodness. Guys, as we speak, some journalists are also saying that there are enemies within the NDC government that want to take President Mahama out. Now, a journalist is also asserting that probably the NPP members among the party or among the NDC government that are the people causing some of these issues in government. And they feel like President Mahama is a target. But from my point of view, this could have happened to anybody at all. Because Mutaka was supposed to be on board. Sammy Jeffy was supposed to be on board. But for some weird reasons, they were unable to board that flight or helicopter. And apparently, according to the Ashanti regional minister, Murtala Mohammed reached out to him that he is coming for the program. So he should arrange a vehicle for him. Guys, so around 10 or 9 thereabouts, the minister called the driver to find out and was told that the minister had not called. He did not know that the minister had changed his plan to join the helicopter. Guys, this is a very tragic incident. This is a very sad one. I am so sad. My heart is bleeding. Guys, let me run you through the Facebook post of Mr. Frank Amoakohene, the minister or the Ashanti regional minister. So apparently, Honorable Murtala Mohammed, or he prefers to be called Comrade Murtala Mohammed, sent Frank Anomdompre a message. And I read, guys, I am so sad. Help me read it. It's on the screen. You can pause and read. Pause and read. I think this will help. I am so sad about this news. I won't lie. I don't know how you feel. Their spouses are crying. You can appreciate the video I am talking about. Humans in a cocoa sack. My goodness. These are honorable ministers. Guys, these are honorable ministers. What will happen to their children? Guys, now, Ghanaians are asking for President Mahama to definitely declare war against Galamsey. Guys, this is so sad. This is a very sad news. I don't know how you feel. My goodness.